joined today by Oliver Kiddie, Executive Director of Legend Mining. Oliver, thanks for your time.
Thanks for having me, David.
A very successful company with a strong track record. The main asset in the Fraser Range, can you explain how that's developed over the last 2 to 3 years?
Absolutely. Look, the Rockford project, which is our lead project, came into the company Legend in 2015 with a joint venture with the Creasy Group, Mark Creasy being our major shareholder as well. We fast forward to 2019, December, made the discovery of massive nickel copper sulfide at Mawson. That turned into additional drilling for 2020 and continued to grow Mawson. And for 2021, it's continue to chase the main source there at Mawson.
For those shareholders or market watchers who may have missed some of the highlights of 2020, what were they?
Look, 2020 was a growth story, so we made the discovery of Mawson and it was really getting our head around exactly what we had discovered. So that meant additional drilling and trying to build the first geological model, emplacement model of what was the massive nickel copper sulfide mineralisation at Mawson. So we expanded our drilling. We obviously have complicating factors there with the conductive cover and large stratigraphic EM plates, which make it difficult from a geophysical standpoint to actually delineate more massive sulfide with geophysics. So that means additional drilling, and that additional drilling led to the understanding that we've got now, which sets us up for a fantastic 2021, which is chasing the source of what is Mawson.
You touched on 2021, we're already into it. What's the operations and the activity look like?
Look, we've used the Christmas break, like most companies. We've had the lab delays. We've used that time to collate all the data, get our programs into a semblance of order, targets ranked, ready to drill. So from a logistics side of things, we've just ticked a major logistical box with signing a water agreement with the station owner. So we currently have water pumped into our tank farm there and irrigating the grid there at Mawson, which allows us for the first time to service 2 diamond rigs, the first of which will be turning up inside 2 weeks. This couldn't have been done previously. We had to cart the water from Kalgoorlie, so that was a logistical nightmare. With the water now on site, allows us, like I said, to service 2 rigs, which is a major step forward for us and our exploration at Mawson.
So a lot of drilling?
A lot of drilling. So we have 10,000 metres planned currently, and obviously that target generation is ongoing at Mawson. More drilling means more data, hopefully some more good results, evolution of the model, and we really think 2021 shapes as a very exciting year at Mawson.
So new investors who may look at Legend and think 300 mil market cap, this thing's fully priced, what do you say to them?
Look, we're not just a one-trick pony, which is Mawson. Mawson is a fantastic discovery, which we've been on record saying we think we're just at the tip of the iceberg. We've used 2020 as to get our head around exactly what Mawson is in terms of its geological context. Now 2021 will be about spreading our wings, finding the source at Mawson. So that shapes as a very exciting chapter for the continued expansion of the discovery at Mawson. But in addition to that, we're not just a one-trick pony. We've got 3,000 square k's of prime real estate in the Fraser Range. We've got highly ranked targets including Crean and Hurley, which currently will be undergoing additional geophysics, moving loop, fixed loop surveys, plus infill air core drilling from the results that we released in December last year, some results that are ranked very highly and right up there with Mawson. So we're looking forward to diamond drill testing Hurley to begin with in April, pending clearances. And in addition to that, we've completed a desktop review of our entire package. We've come up with over 30 new targets regionally, filling that prospect pipeline. So that's genuinely exciting. And to answer your point, or to answer your question, that's the additional fill in the 320 mil market cap, which currently is there. It is not just Mawson, it is the greater package.
And that's where the opportunity lies for new investors to be part of that growth should you achieve results in that big portfolio of exploration opportunities.
Absolutely. So Mawson, the discovery itself, will continue to grow that. But what Mawson allows us is a living laboratory. So we take our learnings from that, extrapolate it regionally, and to put a hit into one of these targets outside of Mawson would genuinely see the investor focus come right back to the Fraser Range.
Funding, always the question. You've got a lot of work to be done, a lot of drilling, a lot of exploration. What does funding look like for Legend?
Look, we're really well cashed up at Legend. As of 31 December, we've got 27.2 million. That's just been increased by another 2.6 million with our R&D refund. We also have 224 million options currently in the money, the first of which are due to strike in March. So cash and receivables north of 40 million, so plenty of money to fulfil our wildest ambitions as geos.
Strong foundation of assets, quality executive team, big plans for 2021 and well funded. Oliver, thanks for your time.
Thanks very much, Dave.